In this video, I'm going to unbox the Tornado 2 notebook cooling pad. I think it's called the Tornado 2 because the fans are 2. So we will just open it and check what's inside. This supports laptops up to 17 inches. So we are going to open it and check the contents in it. So we have the USB to USB cable that will be plugged. One end will be plugged into your laptop and the other into the fan. And these anti-slip lockers and the fans itself with the stand. So this is how it looks like. There are 2 fans in it. We have here the stand itself with different steps. I think this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 steps adjustment. You can adjust it 4 or 5 to suit your preference. And then here we have the USB port that you connect one port of the USB to USB cable, and this is the switch to turn it on. At some point too, I'll turn off the lights, I'll close my windows, and we will check the night mode of the first. Put it down here, and then we will just put in these anti-slip lockers. You put it at the middle, slide it to the right, this one as well, put it in the middle and slide it in, and you slide it to fit it. Then you place your laptop here, and these 2 lockers will not make it slip or fall. Let's check. I have a power bank here. I've not put in my laptop on it yet. So with your power bank here, I'll plug one end of the USB to USB cord in here, and then I'll just load it in the power bank to check how it looks like. But I think the switch was already on. If you want to turn it off, just come here, you press it and it will be turned off, press it and it will be turned on as well. These are the lights. You cannot switch off these lights. Let me close my window and let's see the night mode. Now let's switch night. Yeah, this is how it's going to look like in the night. Now I'll put on my laptop. So you just find the place where your laptop USB is. My laptop USB is here. So you plug it up to that end.